Okay, so using either a piece of paper or your sketchbook, we're going to create a drawing in 1 point and 2 point perspective. So this drawing now is one that's been done in 1 point perspective. So it starts like that and ends up like this. So we start with a pencil and a ruler. If you've got one, if you've got a compass, you can use a compass. Anytime I use, if you've got a rubber, sorry, you can use a rubber as well. Anytime I draw a line in red, that means you draw yours really lightly. Anytime I draw in black, you can press on with either your pencil or a pen if you've got one, or a marker or a coloured pencil, whatever suits you really. So we start off here. If you imagine that my screen, this screen here, is your book or piece of paper. Wherever I draw something, you follow. So this is what's called a horizon line. So you do the horizontal line first, and this is what's called a vanishing point. So the vanishing point, I've just done one, so this is a drawing in 1 point perspective. Okay, then we're going to draw some shapes. I'm going to start off with a square. This square will be black, so that's fine because we're going to keep that. Do a square there. We've got a circle. Use your compass if you like. Put the circle there. We've got a triangle. Oops, that's a bit small, so we'll do another one, which can go there, and then a five-sided shape. And you can tell me what a five-sided shape is called, which we're going to do there. Now we go back to the lines, make sure that it's red, which it is, because these are going to be, some of this is going to be rubbed out, so we put a line like that to the vanishing point. Use your compass if you like, and then we put that, compass, ruler if you like, to that vanishing point, and that to that vanishing point. Obviously with a circle you can use your compass. I'm just going to take this to that, and this vanishing point to that, and then the triangle. Go there, there, here, there. That's quite a slight one there. Okay, and then with this one we're just going to do a horizontal line and a vertical line, and here we're just going to do, now we want to do one there. Here we're going to do a parallel line with that, and one with this. This is quite a strange one there, like that. Then I'm going to use my black line now, which means you can press on or use a pen or marker or a coloured pencil, and I go there, 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 and here, and I go here, oops, there, small one here, one there, oopsie daisy, and then one here, like that, and then that's going all the way to the vanishing point. These lines are slightly thicker than the shapes, but we can change that in a second. We can just make the shapes thicker, there and there, and then just going to make this look a little bit tidier. There, there, and here. Then you can rub out your red lines, okay, until it looks like that. Okay, so that's 1 point perspective because you've used one vanishing point. Right, we'll have a go now at 2 point perspective. So like before, where I've got a red line, you do it lightly, and when I use black lines, you can press on a bit. And I'll just show you what we're going to do. So this is a drawing. It looks quite complicated, but it's not. A drawing in 2 point perspective. So it turns from there to that. Okay, and then we've got a glass box, an empty box in 2 point perspective. So to do that, we start with a red line. So I've got a red line like that, and I do a horizon line like that. Okay, because it's 2 point perspective, we do 2 vanishing points. 1, 2. And then this is what we call our main vertical line. So it's the largest vertical line on the drawing. And it goes like that. Obviously, use your ruler if you like. And then you've got 1 horizontal line, 1 vertical line, and 2 vanishing points. We then join that to that vanishing point, and that vanishing point to the bottom of the big vertical line. And then we repeat that on the other side. So we go there, and then there. Okay. Obviously, this is going to be done on another piece of paper. And then we just do a line like that, a vertical line, and a vertical line like that. So maybe you can now see where the box is that we're doing. Okay. So what we do now is we get our pencil and our ruler, and we put our pencil here on this point there, and our ruler, and we're going to draw a line all the way to that vanishing point, like that. We then put our pencil on this point here, and then we do the same to that vanishing point. Oops, that's not right, so I'll get rid of that. Let's do it properly. So we go from here to there, and then the same on the other side. We put our pencil on this mark here, like that, and we take it to there, and then we put our pencil on this mark here. I'll wait a little while. By all means, you can pause this video if I'm going too fast. When you've done that, you can put your pencil here, and we take it to that vanishing point there. Okay, now you can see where these two here meet. So what we do is we do a vertical line there, like that. Okay, I'll show you again where that goes. It's disappeared, it's reappeared. It's disappeared, it's reappeared. Magic. And then we get, I'm just going to make this line a bit thicker so you can see it. And it's black now, so we can press on or use a pen, marker, pencil, crayon, whatever you want. And what I'm going to do first is do the vertical line there, there. Do the vertical lines first, one there, and one there. So if I'm going too fast for you, I'll show you where we go. That's disappeared, so has that, so has that. It reappears now, so we put one there, one there, one there, and one here. And those are the vertical lines. And now we do the lines that go and join up. So we go from from there to there, from here to there. We go from here, oops, to there, and from here to there. And these will disappear again, so you know what to do. So it's that one, that one, that one, and that one. And again, as if by magic, they reappear here, here, there, and there. And now we just do the lines that are inside the box. So I'll go from here, oops, to there, and from here to there, and from there to there. And then we've got a clear box. And then what you can do then is just rub these red lines out like that. Obviously it's easier for me to do this on the computer, just press delete. But when I got taught to do this about 3,000 or 4,000 years ago when I was at school, we had to do it with a ruler and a pencil, just like what you're doing now. There, there, here, there, and there. And then we have a box. Okay, a glass box. Obviously, not obviously, but look, if we did this, if we chose that, and deleted that, that, oops, this, and that, we've just got a solid box in 2-point perspective. What we could do with that, if you want to try, do another one, is using red first, and this, if I do a vertical line, oops, to there, and a vertical line to there, then hopefully we might have our vanishing point, which is fine like that, and like that. And then here, you can pause this if I'm going too fast there, and you put your pencil here, like that, to there, we've created another box. Can you see it? I'll just do those again so you can see them. They disappear, disappear, they disappear, and they reappear. A vertical line, a vertical line, a line to a vanishing point, to a vanishing point, to a vanishing point, to a vanishing point. And then, using black, if I go here, there, 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 and then here, and then there, we've created a box like this, rubbing these out. Like that. Okay, let me show you that again. I've got a line there, 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 here, here, and then I rub these lines out. like that. Okay, so you can have a go at doing that one. Excuse me. Doing that one if you like, and then that one's for later because that's quite a difficult one. When you've done that, you can look at adding either colour or pattern to these. Okay, so if we were doing this one, and let's say if we're doing it red, okay, I can fill it in. So that could be red. I can't fill these in as yet on this computer, so if you were to fill that one in, that red would be a little bit darker, and that red underneath here would be darker still. So if you've got pencil crayons, the easy way to do that is just to colour lightly with that, press on a little bit more in that one, and press on even more with that. And the same you can do with these shapes as well. Okay? Then eventually, we'll have a go at doing this one. Do you know what word this spells out? If you don't, this might help. And then that's the final thing, because all you need is love. Okay, now give that a go. If I'm going too fast for you, you can always pause the video. Okay, do it in your sketchbook, do it on A3 paper. Make sure you've got a pencil, a ruler, a rubber, maybe a compass if you need one. Good luck and enjoy.